Hi, this is Javi Lozano, the Family Man, and ZGM for Henry Schein Medical. This message is brought to you by Provision. Provision is a great solution that doesn't disrupt distribution, enhances value for your customer, and saves them money. Two quick questions that you can ask each and every one of your ASC opportunities. Have you ever had experience with reprocessing in the past? How would you describe it? And two, would you mind if we provide you with an estimate on how much you could save with Provision? Now for today's message. I'll be spending a little time on the Challenger Sale and teaching for differentiation. If you recall, there are three attributes that make up a Challenger sales professional. They are teach, tailor, and take control. The thing that really sets the Challenger rep apart is their ability to teach customers something new and valuable about how to compete in the marketplace. I understand and acknowledge that the Challenger model may be something that's uncomfortable or something that you still don't quite get. Just keep in mind that this is a journey. I don't expect you'll become overnight Challengers. I also want to emphasize that Challenger is not the flavor of the month. We are committed to investing in you and your growth as a sales professional. My ask is that your commitment is to do the same. I am excited that we have quite a few early adopters across the Southwest Zone. Our first movers are experiencing great success with applying some of the concepts of the Challenger model. Keep up the great work. If you have not yet made your first move towards being a Challenger, now's the time. So what is teaching for differentiation? Well, teaching is about offering customers a unique perspective with passion and precision in a way that draws the customer into the conversation. So what are some examples of unique perspectives that you can share with your customers? For one, offering insights on how customers can increase revenues, or how to improve patient care and outcomes, or finding ways to improve patient satisfaction. And finally, how to run a more efficient practice. These are just a few examples on how you can bring value to you and your customers. Think about it this way. What if customers don't know what they need? What if your customer's single greatest need, ironically, is to figure out what they don't know or what they need? If this were true, rather than asking customers what keeps them up at night, the better sales technique, the Challenger way, might be in fact to tell customers what they need. So when you get down right to it, Challengers aren't so much world-class investigators, they are world-class teachers. They win by understanding their customers' world as well or better than their customers do, teaching them what they don't know but should. So to recap, the Challenger sales model is a journey. It will take time to fully adopt. Challengers teach for differentiation. They teach customers something new. They offer a unique perspective. The Challenger also provides insight on how customers can run a more efficient practice. They tell customers what they need. And finally, they are experts on their customers' business. And finally, to quote Ralph Waldo Emerson, "Do not go where the path may lead you. So instead, go where there's no path and blaze a trail. If not now, when? If not you, who?" I'm Javi Lozano, the Family Man, and ZGM for Henry Schein Medical, and we make health happen together.